Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Monese card. This is a prepaid debit card that can be used both online and in-store. It's a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, what is the limit on a Monese card? I'll also cover some other important information about Monese cards, such as how to get one and how to use it. So, if you're interested in learning more about Monese cards, please stay tuned. What is the limit on a Monese card? The limit on a Monese card depends on the type of card you have. There are three different types of Monese cards. Classic. The Classic card has a daily spending limit of £500 and a weekly spending limit of £2,000. Premium. The Premium card has a daily spending limit of £1,000 and a weekly spending limit of £5,000. Metal. The Metal card has a daily spending limit of £2,000 and a weekly spending limit of £10,000. In addition to the spending limits, there are also some limits on how much money you can deposit into your Monese account. The maximum deposit amount is £25,000 per day. How to get a Monese card? Getting a Monese card is easy. All you need to do is download the Monese app and sign up for an account. Once you've done that, you can order your card. How to use your Monese card? Once you have your Monese card, you can use it to make purchases online and in-store. You can also use it to withdraw cash from ATMs. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about Monese cards. Monese cards are accepted in millions of locations worldwide. You can use your Monese card to make contactless payments. You can track your spending in the Monese app. You can set up spending alerts to help you stay on budget. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Monese, please visit their website. Thanks for watching.